Hello YouTube artists, welcome back to my channel. This is Teacher Don, and today I'll be sharing with you one of my new artwork stuff. This is the soft pastel, and it's a brand of Mungyo or Mungyo. I don't know how to pronounce it actually, but I'm so excited to share with you guys about this stuff because I've been thinking about buying a new soft pastel because the ones that I have are already running out. So I just thought of trying this set, and it looks pretty. So the box that you see that I slid away is actually the protection box for the pastels inside will not be jumbled inside it. Alright, so there, I'm opening it right now. As you can see there, it says there the brand soft pastel and then Mungyo. So again, I'm just showing with you this box which protects the pastels to be not jumbled whenever you flip it, like what happened earlier and as I showed you. So there's the brand and the brand name. So okay, so as you can see there, once you flip it open, you will see there a bit of history and a bit about the brand Mungyo, and they share about how they started and where they originated. So there's a soft thing there that protects it so it won't break, and there's a wax paper over it as well, also for protection. Okay, and so there, this is actually a 64 set of colors, and they're really pretty. Actually, when I opened it first time, I thought they were candies. And there's a separate color for white and black, which is much longer because these are the regular colors that we usually use and often gets consumed easily. So I'll be sharing with you a quick illustration of the colors once you combine them. So here it goes. Alright, so I just go with how the colors are organized, pre-organized there. I haven't fixed them yet, so when I opened it, that's how the colors and the pastels are arranged. So perhaps after this video, I'll be organizing each colors from the cold to warm colors so that it will be easy for me to distinguish and to see which colors that I need to use if ever that I'll be making some artworks. So there you go. It was just a quick one. So that's how I blend them. See, it really goes in the paper. So that's how it looks like when all the colors are blended. So there, and I don't want to consume much of your time. You know, it's just an easy or quick one for a review for this Mungyo 64 set colors of soft pastels. So guys, thank you so much for joining me and watching this video. Please don't forget to like and comment below if you already have experienced or bought this set of colors, and also comment below with regard to how you experience, what are your experience with regard to using these, or if not, what are your questions about it so I can answer you about my own experience about it. One of these days I'll be using this in my artworks and I'll be showing that to you. So please watch my previous videos, which the links I'm showing here right now. So again, this is the Mungyo Soft Pastel 64 set of colors. Thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you'll be notified on my next video. Thank you. Goodbye.